guys, how are you? Welcome to this session. This is the third session about web hacking. So we already did Natas 1, 2, 3, 4, and today we want to solve Natas 5. So as you see here, I just logged in into Natas 5, so which we found the authentication, the credential in Natas 4, and we already entered. So for Natas 5, this is the first page, access allowed, you are not logged in. So let me refresh it and then we will see. So this is the first page that we see. So let's go to the source and let's see what's going on there. uh, Here view page source. Okay, as here you can see, so here is not related to our job because it's ahead, and just here we can see here actually is nothing really important. Here it's just a tag and it shows us you're not logged in. So basically it's related to also credential. When you go to a website you need to log in and this stuff, so probably I guess we should look for something like that. uh, so let's go see here. Let's impact element. Let's see what can we find here. So can we find anything related to login, or actually for user pass or something like this, that you know I think we should look for cookies, because when you log into a website and when you enter your user and pass, and then the cookie will be sent, okay, this user is logged in, so stay logged in or stay logged out. So here it is written you are not logged in, so I think we should find a cookie that sends the if you are logged in or log out. So let's find here what we have. This is we should probably go to here. The memory can be actually takes snapshot performance, probably maybe a storage. Storage, session storage. Do we have anything? No. Look, oh, yeah, I think we should go to cookies. So, but at the end we will go to cookie. Let's see if here local, nothing. And yeah, here are the cookies. So you can see here, yes, I think we should change this 0 to 1. So probably we should use Burp Suite, which is a already installed tool on Linux, Kali, on Kali Linux. But yeah, I think we should change this in our request. Is it possible to change it here? Yes, nice one. Oh, it's worked from here. I didn't expect this. Actually, so it was too easy. I didn't think that we can change it here. So now you can see we have for Natas 6 here. So yeah, that's it for Natas 5. But I wanted to use Burp Suite. So let's see. Let's change it to 0. So now you saw we solve it. But I want to use Burp Suite here as well. So now you can see access login. So you basically could understand what the problem was. So you in cookie there is a logged in actually not yeah, logged in variable. So it was 0, we changed it to 1, so we were logged in. And now I want to use I want to use Burp Suite here, because Burp Suite is really interesting tool. So first we should define we should set up a proxy for using Burp Suite. I will go to, I'm using Firefox, so I go to preferences. Then in general tab, I go down to network setting, and here manual proxy, localhost 8080, everything good, okay. And now I should run, I have Burp Suite here. Let me show you how it works if you want to run it. So you will just write Burp Suite here, and then I think this is a community edition, and also there is a professional edition. So the other one is not free, but this is free. So for me free is totally enough, and I use the free version. And here you just close this temporary project, next start burp. So you can see here it's getting, it's really powerful tool actually. So we can, make a tutorial for just for burp suite, and also for the people who don't have the Kali Linux for this Natas 5. So you could also, you could already choose another way, but here I want to just show how it works in burp suite. And in the future, near future, I will also create a video to how to install Kali Linux. So here you can see our proxy is already working. So I just need to refresh the page, Natas 5 here. So you see when I refresh it, it it's not loaded yet. You can see here the page is not loaded. So because it's waiting for me to approve or to ignore the request. So we will go to proxy tab, and it's written there is a request wants to be sent, and this is the fields in request. So should I drop it or forward it, or what should I do? Actually, Burp Suite is asking you. Here you can see logged in is 0. So if we want to just leave everything as what it is, we will just forward it, and then you can see now it's loaded, but it's written you are not logged in. And then if we reload it again, we will just change this. Here we will change it to 1, and then we forward it. Here you can see now we have the credential for Natas 6. So let's go to Natas 6 and Natas. Okay. Yeah, forward. Actually, let me do it. Natas 6. Burp Suite will come here. We will forward the package. So it's locked. I cannot change. Okay. Let me copy this, the password, copy, and then Burp Suite come. We will forward. So I can say intercept is off, so we can use it without Burp Suite. So here, not a 6, and I will paste the and yes, it's working. I will save it. Yeah, so you can see here now we are in Natas 6 and the new challenge. So we already for Natas 5 we already saw how Web Suite is working, and also the different tabs in injection tabs. You inject, sorry, inspect. So with inspect elements, you have a lot of tools here that you can um, monitor many things: the cookies, the storage, the cookies which will send, the performance, the network of the web server, and this tool is really important, especially for front-end developers who are working with the web applications and software applications and websites. So they are really using this tool, inspect tools, I mean. And also we saw how Burp Suite is working. We just we just turn it off, and also we saw how we can set up a proxy on our Firefox. So it was for this video. I will see you for Natas for next Natas and next challenge. So take care and see you.